What is that motivation factor which drives you to write civil services again and again?
जहाँ से मैं आता हूँ वहाँ पर एजुकेशन का बहुत स्प्रेड नहीं है और सरकास्टिकली जब मैं किसी को बताता हूँ कि शामली से हूँ तो उनका सरकास्टिक आंसर रहता है कि शामली से होने के बाद हाउ यू मेड टू द लिस्ट. So I want to change that perception.
After you write a test, after you get the evaluated copy, what do you do?
फैमिली का बहुत ज़्यादा सपोर्ट रहा है. All of them are from agriculture background, but उसके बावजूद उन्होंने बोला कि whatever you can achieve to the highest in your life. So there was one moment my father said कि जितना खर्चा तैयारी में होता है किया जाएगा. अगर जमीन या घर जो भी बेचना पड़ेगा, we will do that. So that was the motivation factor कि I won't leave the preparation at any cost.
वेलकम टू यूपीएससी सिविल सर्विसेज टॉपर्स टॉक. आज इस टॉपर्स टॉक में मेरे साथ है एक किसान का बेटा. सिविन कम्स फ्रॉम एग्रीकल्चरल बैकग्राउंड. इनके फादर फार्मर हैं और ये किरोड़ीमल कॉलेज दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी से इन्होंने फिजिक्स में बीएससी किया है. शामली यूपी के रहने वाले हैं और इस बार सिविल सर्विसेज 2022 में इनकी रैंक है 514. इनका ऑप्शनल था ज्योग्राफी. और इनके बारे में एक और खास बात, he was selected for civil services in 2021 exam also, and as of now he is posted in DANIPS. So Sivin, first of all congratulations.
Thank you very much sir.
आपकी खास बात यह है कि आप एक फार्मिंग बैकग्राउंड से आते हैं. आप हिंदी मीडियम से पढ़े हुए हैं, फिर भी आपने सिविल सर्विसेज में 2 बार क्रैक किया और 3 बार मेंस और 3 बार इंटरव्यू दिया आपने. सो इट इज अ ग्रेट अचीवमेंट और स्पेशली जो हिंदी मीडियम के बैकग्राउंड के हैं. माय फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन टू यू इज दैट what is that motivation factor which drives you to write civil services again and again?
Yes sir. सर एक्चुअली जहाँ से मैं आता हूँ वहाँ पर एजुकेशन का बहुत स्प्रेड नहीं है और सरकास्टिकली जब मैं किसी को बताता हूँ कि शामली से हूँ तो उनका सरकास्टिक आंसर रहता है कि शामली से होने के बाद हाउ यू मेड टू द लिस्ट. सो आई वांट टू चेंज दैट परसेप्शन और मेरी फैमिली का बहुत ज़्यादा सपोर्ट रहा है. ऑल ऑफ देम आर फ्रॉम एग्रीकल्चर बैकग्राउंड, बट उसके बावजूद उन्होंने बोला कि वॉट एवर यू कैन अचीव टू द हाईएस्ट इन योर लाइफ. सो देयर वाज वन मोमेंट माय फादर सेड कि जितना खर्चा तैयारी में होता है किया जाएगा. अगर जमीन या घर जो भी बेचना पड़ेगा वी विल डू दैट. सो दैट वाज द मोटिवेशन फैक्टर कि आई वोंट लीव द प्रिपरेशन एट एनी कॉस्ट.
Prelims is very tricky, but you have written 4 attempts and you have reached to the interview stage 3 times. तो आपकी तो मास्टरी होगी prelims में. So would you like to share few of your experiences which can be useful to the aspirant?
Yes sir. Sir, specifically regarding prelims, so I believe that when I analyzed my first attempt, when I could not clear the prelims with the further preparation, that one thing was lacking was the test series. When we solve more number of questions, more number of tests, then we just get familiar with the questions. एक sixth sense type generate हो जाता है कि this won't be the answer, so that helps us eliminate the ऑप्शंस और जिससे हम एक सुटेबल आंसर्स पर पहुंच जाते हैं. सो माय फर्स्ट एडवाइस वुड बी आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग द सिलेबस एंड मेकिंग कंसाइज नोट्स, गिव मोर नंबर ऑफ टेस्ट्स. एनी नंबर ऑफ टेस्ट दे कैन गिव. इफ दे आर नॉट एबल टू गिव टेस्ट सीरीज देन दे कैन solve the daily quizzes, 5 questions, 10 questions, so we get familiar with the question paper. I will quote my attempt also. Last year when I got selected, so we got only 3 days to study. So when the question paper come in front of me, that I was not well read person that time, but due to the familiarity of the question, that if they have made this question, then this won't be the correct option or this will be the correct option. That sense come while attempting the question, and I got good marks in prelims also.
Asif, to you now.
Shivin, I see that you have made significant improvement in geography optional.
Yes sir.
What worked for you this year?
Sir, similarly, one part is the content side. That geography is a very technical optional. Generally जो हम GS पढ़ते हैं उसके बाद से optional start होता है. The basic part is generally they don't ask. So the first thing is mastery on the content side. So I got 152 marks in the paper 1, which is highly technical in nature. So first clearing the concept, and then interconnected questions are they asking right now. Geography becoming more dynamic. The environment part, so they are not asking environment, they are asking environmental geomorphology, how geomorphology is impacting the environment side or the vice versa. So the applied part is there. When we are mixing the concept, the technical part with the current affair, then we are bound to get good marks.
You have done a lot of practice for geography and GS.
Yes, sir.
How was your approach in last mains?
Sir, in the last mains, the similar approach I was having, but I was lacking in the content, the concise content. But this time I made the concise notes and I used the terms. Like geography is a technical subject, so while writing the answer, it is not the case कि हमको आना जरूरी है. हमें वो points उसको दिखाने examiner को through highlighting those keywords that we know what you are asking. So the highlighting the keywords was the main arena.
And for GS, how was your approach?
For GS, as we know that the GS having the diverse subject 1, 2, 3 and ethics being the separate one. So for them, some of the overlapping from the geography came into the picture with the environment, with the geography part, with the disaster management. So I left it to the geography itself, yes sir. And for the other subjects, so apart from completing the content side, what I learned is that there is something missing in my answer writing, and that part was I was writing in the paragraphs, 1.5 line, 1.6 line. So it means I was just giving 3 or 4 point in a 10-point answer. Then you came into the picture and you told me that it should not be the case. The diversity is the key to get good marks in the GS. So then I somehow, with some effort, make it 2 lines. I am not able to make it 1 line, but I have made it 2 lines. So I think that worked well in case of GS.
You wrote a lot of papers also.
Yes, sir. In 2021 attempt, I wrote more than 85 or 90 papers, including the essay part. So that also worked for me because in 2 aspects. One, some questions are directly asked in the mains. So guessing the mains question or the mains जो specific topic है is easier as compared to prelims. So that helps us in completing the paper in time.
I think last year we predicted almost half the paper, half of
yes sir,
GS
most of
most
it
of the
was there.
questions
Yes sir.
were there. Notes is something that you're saying was very good. So is that different from your first, second attempt, that third attempt you remade the notes?
Yes sir, I remade the note first when I was new to the preparation. So I thought ki more I will write in the notes, more I will be getting the marks. But this is not the case. More concise I will make the notes. More times I will be writing them again and again. Yes sir, limited one. So I can quote when the first time I made notes of history, these were bulkies. 120, 130 pages. Then I summarized them, then they came to 40. And then the next time they came just to 10 to 12 pages.
So you're able to revise more times.
More times. And then it becomes handy. The first point come to the mind is the main point, not the periphery point. So then we have to write just 150 words. If we will write periphery, then we won't get marks. So
what will you tell students who don't have notes?
They will have to make notes. Actually, it's not the game of just prelims. Without notes, one can, I think, can qualify prelims. But to get very good marks in mains, one will have to go with the notes. And answer writing is, I think, is the next stage of the notes itself. So when one is good with the notes, then he will write the good answers also.
After you write a test, after you get the evaluated copy, what do you do?
So my approach, I take the feedback seriously. Especially for the GS and optional, not that much for essay. So when I see some comments, so those comments have helped me in a way to reorganize my answer. So I may have written the same content which examiner is expecting, but the first point is on the 5th number and the 5th point is on the first number. So that sets our priority and that helps us to get comfort of the evaluator, and more the evaluator will be on the comfort, he's bound to give us more marks. So
your last stage was interview. So what difference you faced this interview and the previous interview?
So sir, actually I would quote the first interview and both second and third interview.
Okay, right.
So in first interview I got 138 marks. And that was very, very, very low score. If I would have got the same score in interview which I got in this year, then I would have been IPS in that attempt itself. Okay. So in that, there was one issue. I am from a Hindi background candidate. So if they are asking some question, if you are asking some question, I might be translating the
question to answer in
Hindi to English. But the person who is listening to me, he thinks that I'm underconfident because they think that I'm nervous. Right. So for that, I worked on my English part, firstly. Secondly, the mirror practice. Thirdly, some of my friends who were giving interview, who were of the same background, like DU, Chirodimal, means the physics part or the geography part, then we made some questionnaire of around 300, 400 questions and we discussed with each other. So that worked. And in the last interview, when I got 179, almost 80% of the questions were from the questionnaire itself. Oh. So it became very handy and easy for me.
So this time in 2022, you got 179.
173.
173. And last time 179.
179.
Great. So this is a reasonably good score. And this is the great method which you have suggested. Practice in front of mirror, yes. Speak more and more, frame the questions, make the list of questions, anticipate the areas, and sometime it hits and the similar questions are asked. Great. And how was your experience at the Next IAS interview?
This year, I told sir also that I missed one opportunity. Earlier, I was assistant director in Sports Authority of India, so they did not let us come to Delhi. So I missed the opportunity to meet Bassi sir actually, because everyone in Danips is saying that they had one-to-one session with Bassi sir, and that has helped them a lot in interview. But I can quote the last attempt. First, Next has provided us state-specific content.
Right.
So I'm from Uttar Pradesh, but I might not have known about the diversity of the Uttar Pradesh because I belong to western part. I might not be knowing the eastern part. So through those notes, I learned the thing which they have actually asked in the interview. So I can quote this year video. So there was Uttar Pradesh session also. I listened that session. So there was one question that, do you think that Uttar Pradesh should be divided in multiple states? The sir gave that answer. I internalized that answer, and they asked me in the board, and I gave the same answer. So these things helped a lot. जब हम कुछ पढ़ते हैं सर, तो ऐसा लगता है कि ये भी छोटा हुआ है. जब वो 20 बार टॉपिक पढ़ा है, लेकिन लास्ट टाइम पर अगर उसको पढ़ेंगे तो ऐसा लगता है कि ये छोटा हुआ है, ये छोटा हुआ है. तो इससे बेटर है stay calm, because I think the nature of question UPSC is right now in last 3-4 attempts they are asking. It's not just about the factual knowledge only. It's about the mains के opinion based questions are also being asked in the prelims. So for that we need mental calmness.
Right. So dear friends, this time there is one good opportunity to check your prelims performance. We are introducing Prelims Analytica. This is new concept of its kind, and once you appear in the prelims examination, just after that you can check your performance, compare your performance with the other students, how you have performed, how others have performed, and this opportunity will be available just after the prelims examination 2023, and you can log on to the Next IAS website and you can check your performance. So thank you for the participating.
Thank you very much, sir. I'm very glad.
This is a great experience. A farmer's son, एक किसान का बेटा यहाँ तक पहुँचा है. May you shine more, succeed more.
Yes sir.
Best wishes.
Thank you very much sir.